what happens when you're trying to put together your brochure? We've said the basics of design are in place, you figured out your colors, you know your fonts. How are you going to start working on it? The most important thing, you need to think of your aims. Usually people say one generic brochure, you know, just a brochure is a brochure. What do we mean when we say aims? But you could have extremely specific challenges that you want your brochure to address. And remember, while the brochure is a document you hand out to people, you can't ideally cram it with about 20 pages. Everything about your organization, nobody will want to read it. I mean, how many of you have seen big fat books in libraries and said, no, I don't want to read it? It could be a classic, it could be the best thing written on the surface of this earth, but that sort of size is daunting. So you'll need to try and keep things simple. So if you're working with say 3 pages or 4 pages, what is it that you will need to say? You will need to prioritize a little. Think of who exactly you're talking to, what is the aim. If you're looking to get more volunteers in, then who's your audience? Are you talking to kids from colleges, 18 to 25? Then that has an impact on the kind of language you use, on what sort of images. You'll have to try and make it a little peppy, exciting. You'll have to make it seem like, oh, it's such a wonderful thing for you to come and be part of our organization. Fundraising, you'll need to talk a little more about your cause and say why it is so great, what sort of great work you're doing, why is it part of it. So the language changes a bit. It can't be all that funky, but then you can still keep it happy, peppy, based on what sort of a style you choose. So your aims are extremely important, and the content that you need to work on will have to tie in with these aims. Now that you know who you need to speak to and roughly what sort of messages you need to have in place for them, how exactly do you go about it? That is where we say build an outline. Please remember, we are only going to be referring to an outline here, which means a broad set of points for you, key points, not the exact set of words.